The names are intriguing. What they have potential to accomplish is amazing. The Remus 6000, the Orion, the Triton XLS, the Dorado. They are all autonomous underwater vehicles and remotely operated vehicles, AUVs and ROVs, equipped with technology that can search deeper than the currently utilized bluefin. Technology that could be called into service.
It'd be ideal if it's a black box, not a problem at all for an ROV to pick it up, put it in a basket and recover it.
This is the Triton XLS ROV, based in Florida, connected to a ship by an umbilical cord. Then there are the AUVs, which are not connected. This is the Orion, owned by the U.S. Navy, run by a company called Phoenix International. Vehicles like this send sound signals to the seafloor, which paint a picture of what's on the bottom. This vehicle can go a mile deeper than the bluefin and stay down for weeks at a time. The bluefin only lasts about 24 hours. Then there is the Remus 6000, also an AUV. Its team has also not yet been asked to help in the Malaysia Airlines search. But the team from Woods Hole, Massachusetts has already met dramatic success, locating the wreckage of Air France Flight 447, 2 years after it crashed in the South Atlantic Ocean. The discovery only possible because of this AUV. This is the initial shot of the Air France debris captured by the Remus 6000.
They can go up and down mountains that are up to 40 degrees in slope. They are very stable, so you get really good data almost all the time.
Another AUV that could be used, the Dorado, based at the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute in California, where CNN's Stephanie Elam visited.
So this is a titanium pressure sphere, so this is good to 6,000 meters deep, and inside we have all this sonar electronics.
The other option for a new phase of the search is manned submarines or submersibles. The British government has already sent out a sub. Others could be asked to join. This vehicle that resembles a spaceship is a manned submersible called the Johnson Sea Link based in Florida. This sub located wreckage in the Atlantic Ocean after the tragic explosion of the Space Shuttle Challenger in 1986. This sub is about 24 feet long. It's also about 11 feet tall, and it weighs about 28,000 pounds. It has enough oxygen and emergency provisions aboard for the people to survive underwater for up to 5 days. This sub is retired though, but other subs that can go even deeper could be brought into action, along with AUVs and ROVs ready to assist if asked. Gary Tuckman, CNN, Los Angeles.